Question 8 and question A you have done. Now we have to start from question B. Beta, question B is same as question A. Okay, but what is there? If you see question B in your books, it is given reduce the given fraction to their lowest terms. First of all, you have to reduce the fraction to their lowest term, then you have to change it into mixed fraction. For example, first question, suppose it is given 12 upon 10. So 12 upon 10, are they in their lowest term? क्या ये दोनों किसी same table में आते हैं? Are they coming in any of the same
Yes, ma'am.
table? Which same
Yes,
table?
ma'am.
Which same
Ma'am,
table?
two.
They are coming in the table of 2. So you will
4,
divide both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 5 are 10. 6 upon 5. Now, are they coming in any of the same table?
No, ma'am.
No, they are not coming in
ma'am.
any. Now you can change it into mixed fraction. 5 ones are 5, subtracted 1. So you will do one whole number 1 upon 5. One whole number 1 upon 5. One whole number 1 upon 5. Understood? Got
Yes,
it, everyone?
ma'am.
Like this you have to do.
Yes.
First you have to change it into the lowest term. Beta, agar ye 6 upon 5 be lowest term नहीं आता. For example, one question is there, 24 upon 28. Okay? No, 28 no. Let it be 30. 30. When you divide it by, you are saying
Yes,
that they are
yes.
coming in the table of 3. So 3 8s are 24 and 3 times are 30. Still they are not in their lowest form. 8 upon 10 is not in the lowest form. So you will divide it again, the numerator and denominator by 2. So 4 2s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. 4 upon 5 is the answer. Okay, now you will try it. Sorry, wait a minute. This is proper fraction. Actually improper. 30 upon 24 hota to. Okay, so I'm going to give you question B. Okay, now you will do the question number B. Just wait. 6.5 question B. Everyone, start doing this question. Change the date. Okay, change the date. Just wait a second. You need not to do this date here. This date is correct, wrong. So I'm just hiding this date. Change the date. Change the date. Started from a new page. First convert it into the lowest term and then first convert it to the lowest term and then reduce it to the lowest term, then convert it to improper fraction like I have done in the video. If the screen as you can see in the screen.
Ma'am, after doing, we have to send it on group.
Yes.
Ma'am, the question we have done that we have to also write.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So let me tell you the answers. Let me tell you the answers now. Now please don't disturb in between while I'm telling you the answers. Okay, so first one I've already done. Second one is 30. Some of you are facing problem in this one. 36 upon 30. So first, to reduce them into the given fraction, we will divide the numerator and denominator by 6. Both of them are coming in the table of 6. Okay, so 6 6 are 36 and 6 5 are 30. Okay, 6 upon 5 is the question. Now what you will do, 6 here, 5 here, 5 ones are 5, subtract it, you will get 1 here, 1 whole number, 1 upon 5 is the answer. This is the second one. Check it, and most of you were doing mistake in the third one. Okay, so I'm going to explain you the third one very properly. 48 upon 32. If you say 40 upon 8 is 32, some of you say it will come in the table of 4, some of you still just say it will come in the table of 8. But most of you have done it in the table of 8. So I'm also going to do it the table of 8. Both of them are coming in the table of 8. 8 6 are 8 4s are. Most of you have done this like this. 1 whole number 2 upon 4. Okay, and this is wrong. ऐसे ही समझिए, अगर बेटा 2 और 4 सेम टेबल में आ रहे हैं, इसका मतलब है you have done something wrong. Okay, 6 and 4 are not in the lowest term. First of all, see whether whatever you are doing, so divide the numerator and denominator by 2. 6 divided by 2 is what? 3, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, now divide it, and you will get the answer as, I'm not going to divide it, I'm just simply writing the answer. Okay, now the fourth one is 28 upon 21. Okay, here you have the numerator as well as the denominator. Same, both of them are coming in which table? Both of them are coming in which table?
7.
7. Yes, everyone knows. Everyone done this correctly. So I'm going to do it quickly.
7.
Yes, सबने ठीक किया था ये आंसर. Okay, ये आंसर सबने ठीक किया है. Now the fifth one, I'm not doing the divide, but that is compulsory for you because I know how to divide in my mind, so I just do it directly. But you all have to do it. That distribution part. Okay. Now, next one is 12 upon 8. Both of them are coming in the table of 2.
2.
2. 8. Up 6 upon 4, again 6 upon 4 is coming. So divide them by 2 upon 2. That is numerator. 3 upon 2 again. 1.5 will be the answer. Check your answers. Okay, I'll check this answer by Iram, right?
5 into 5.
Haan, beta?
Mom, I have got 5 out of 5.
Oh, very good, Adrika. Who asked
Ma'am,
you?
I
also got.
Beta listen. अगर किसी ने
Ma'am, I also got
1
5.
whole number 2 upon 4, that is wrong. Okay.
Ma'am, my all are correct.
Okay.
Ma'am,
मैं बताती हूँ. मैंने check किया. Okay, I checked it. अभी बताऊंगी कौन कह रहा है ये, कौन बोल रहा है ये. Who is saying this कि my all are correct? Let me say the name and 10 there. Okay, वरिन का ठीक था सारा. Okay, अंशुमन का भी ठीक था. Okay, correct. रचित का भी ठीक था. Very good. Excellently done.
Ma'am, I am also correct. Then Adrika was saying.
Adrika का भी check करते. Let me check Adrika's paper. She is saying Adrika all correct. Yes. माए कौन? माए कोई नहीं है मेरे क्लास में. आश्विक थर्ड वाला रॉन्ग है. इरम का भी लास्ट वाला रॉन्ग है.
Ma'am, I got 5 out of 4.
Okay, 5 out of 4. He's saying the same thing. Ma'am, I got 5 out of 4. मैंने कहा था ना, somebody told me that I got this marks. So he's saying in the same way. Ma'am, I got 5 out of 4. See, किसने बोला ये I got 5 out of 2? कृष्णा और जयेश.
मैम कृष्णा.
कृष्णा देखा कृष्णा ने वही मिस्टेक की है improper वाली. Okay. Now let me teach you. अब हमने mix तो बना लिया improper से. अब I want ये जो मैंने mix बनाया है इसको I want to change again to the improper fraction. Just wait.
Ma'am, I know how to change.
So
Ma'am,
very
I
fast.
also know how to change.
Okay, then you just teach me. You just teach
Ma'am,
me.
can
मेरी मेहनत भी बच जाएगी बेटा.
Ma'am, can I tell?
हाँ, tell.
Ma'am, can I tell how to
Yes,
change?
yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, जल्दी से बोलो. जब तक मैं रब कर रही हूँ बोर्ड उससे पहले पहले बता देना है. हाँ.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, two whole number 1/5
हम्म.
is the question.
हाँ. जल्दी
And
से.
so ma'am, we will multiply 5 to the 10 plus 1 11/5 will be the answer. Ma'am, I also know.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, this only.
Okay. Now
Ma'am,
let
two.
me explain.
Ma'am,
Beta, now let me.
Ma'am, two.
Beta. Now let's not waste the time. Let me explain it quickly. Okay. One has explained.
Okay.
So suppose this is a question. We started clockwise like this. ऊपर से शुरू किया था. अब नीचे से शुरू करना है. नीचे से शुरू करना है. इसको इससे multiply करना है और ये वाला add कर देना है. Simple. It is very easy. 5 को 3 से multiply किया plus 1. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. And 1 plus 1, 16. So
16.
answer will be 16. 16 नहीं लिखकर छोड़ देंगे. Most of you do this mistake. 16 लिखकर छोड़ देते हैं. We will have to write down the denominator also. And denominator is very easy. Same as this one. Okay. One more question. 2 whole number 1/8. Okay. Multiply this number and add this.
Ma'am,
8 2s are 16.
17 is the answer.
16. Ma'am, 17 upon 8. Ma'am, 17 upon 8.
17 out of 8.
Out of 8 नहीं होता. 17 upon 8. Okay. Now can you do it yourself? One more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me just tell you this.
Ma'am, but
Ma'am, we were doing this, and I'll share it again in the next period. I know only 4 more 3 minutes are left. Just do it.
Ma'am, there are 10. Ma'am, we cannot do this. 3 minutes.
I can do this.
Do it quickly.
Ma'am, we have to start from a new page.
As you wish.
Ma'am, what is the third one?
What is the
Ma'am, third one.
third one?
Ma'am, now I can see.
Okay. I think meeting will get over. Don't be in hurry. आराम से करो बेटा. आराम से करो इसको. Okay, don't be in hurry. You can just copy down the question. Why my voice is echoing? कोई 2 फोन यूज कर रहा है? Let me check. Is somebody using 2 phones?
No,
My phone separately and others separately. See, now it is not echoing because I muted you all. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, everyone, जितना हो गया उतना कर लेना. Next time I'll just share the screenshot again in the next period. Okay, the meeting is going to be end soon. And remind